When someone's choking, their airway is blocked, and every second matters. The Heimlich maneuver is a first aid technique that can save lives, only if you know when and how to use it. Here's what to do. Assess the situation. Only perform the Heimlich on people who are choking and who are older than 1, conscious, not breathing, speaking, or coughing forcefully. If they're still talking or coughing forcefully, encourage them to keep trying to clear the object themselves. If they aren't conscious, call emergency services immediately and perform CPR. Don't use the Heimlich on infants. Instead, hold a choking baby face down and forcefully strike the palm of your hand between their shoulder blades to free a stuck object. Get into position. Now that you've assessed the situation and determined it's time for the Heimlich, it's time to get started. Stand behind the person and wrap your arms around their belly. If they're much shorter than you, like a child, kneel behind them. If they're pregnant, position your arms around their chest, not on their belly. Place your hands. Make a fist with one hand. Place it about 2 inches above their belly button, below their breastbone. If they're pregnant, place your fist in the center of their chest. Grab your fist with your other hand. Perform quick thrusts. Pull inward and upward sharply, like a J motion. Use firm, rapid thrusts. Repeat until the object is freed. Enlist help. If the person goes unconscious, call emergency services immediately. Follow their instructions. That may include performing CPR until help arrives. What if you're the one choking and you're all alone? You can also perform the Heimlich if you're choking and by yourself. Make a fist and clasp your other hand around it. Place it just above your belly button. Sharply thrust your hands inward and upward, or lean over a hard edge like a counter or the back of a chair and press your upper belly into it forcefully. Choking emergencies happen fast, but now you're ready to act. By recognizing the signs and knowing exactly how to respond, you can be the difference between safety and tragedy.